this round as they battle for the 2008 Pilracom Perida 1. We have Heart and Soul beginning nicely at the start. Moving a party outside Siraz. Midnight King comes next. Lucky Be Lucky in fourth. And in fifth comes Great Emma. Prapubel in the middle. Husi. About 7 wide. Miss Fantastic Traditional. Running by Drell Pierce Spider. As they leave the straight, we have Heart and Soul, the leader by about 4 lengths. Midnight King in second. Moving a party outside third comes Siraz. 5 lengths away in fourth. Moving up Prapubel. Lucky Be Lucky in the middle. And already outside Great Emma Husi. Traditional comes next. Miss Fantastic Pierce Spider. And Latiene in that order. As they swing down the back, we have Heart and Soul by about 3 lengths. Midnight King in second. Coming closer already outside is Siraz. Great Emma now coming closer in fourth. And in fifth, Prapubel. Moving up down already inside now is Traditional. Husi, Miss Fantastic. Then followed by Latiene, Pierce Spider, and Lucky Be Lucky. And nearing the far turn, we've got Midnight King takes the lead. Siraz. Great Emma now coming closer already outside third. And so as with Traditional in fourth. Great Emma takes the lead by a length. Midnight King draws back in second. Traditional is nicking the already inside as they come down at the last 200. Traditional takes the lead by a length. Moving a party outside now comes Latiene. We've got Lucky Be Lucky moving a party outside Latiene to take the lead. And finally it's Latiene. Traditional. Great Emma close. Pierce Spider.
110. Meron tayong photo for port. At so better hold on to your tickets. Latiene ang ating winner para dun sa ating race number 9.
Putikan si Jackie Pat R. Dilemma. 150